Switch it to on. Wait for this to say system ready. Hold it and start for a second. It's gonna beep and then start. Wait for that to go away. PTO on. Press and hold this one, then hit this button. Turns on your air compressor. And if you press and hold it again, tap it, it'll shut off. Also, the same function. Press and hold, and then hit this button. Press and hold, we'll turn those on. Press and hold, press it again, shuts them off. Have your individual switches for your generator, your compressor here if you want to turn them off. Welder controls, welder leads, they're all in the boxes up here. Pull this up. Labeled here what they do. We have your interior compartment lights. They're on each side, all the compartments. It's on every compartment. Rear exterior lights, gonna be these two. Front exterior lights are the front corner. And this body doesn't have any cargo exterior lights in the bed, so don't worry about that. Off, off, off. And that should be it. So before you shut it off, you want to make sure the PTO is off. Give it a second, and then just go